Ready to ditch that default PLS donate stand and create a donation station that screams donate to me even on your phone? Alright, first things first, make sure you have the Roblox app downloaded and updated on your mobile device and open it up. Log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, tap the search icon, usually at the bottom of the screen, and type PLS donate into the search bar. Find the PLS Donate game by Hazem and tap on it, then tap the big green play button to jump right into the game. Once you're in the game, look around for an unclaimed stand. These stands usually have a gray or default design. Run up to one and tap on it. A menu should pop up on your screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to customize your stand. Let's start with the text. Tap the change text option. This allows you to type a custom message that will display on your stand. Think of something catchy or funny to grab attention. Type your message using your device's keyboard, maybe something like need Robux for a new outfit or help me reach my goal. Then tap submit or whatever button confirms your text change. Next, you can change the image on your stand. Tap the change image option. This will take you to the Roblox avatar shop, where you can browse and select an image to display. Find an image you like and that represents you. Tap on it to select it. And there you have it. Your very own customized PLS donate stand on mobile. Now get out there and start raking in those donations. Good luck.